Your brain has two coding systems, verbal and visual, words and images, language and pictures, processing separately, storing separately, but connected. This is dual coding theory. Allan Paivio developed it. It explains why. Pictures help. Memory so much. Verbal system processes language, words, speech, text, abstract concepts, sequential processing, linear thinking, one thing after another. This is how. Most learning is delivered through words, through language, verbal only, visual system. Processes images, shapes, colors, spatial relationships, parallel processing, simultaneous holistic, faster than verbal, more primitive, more automatic, more memorable. This is underutilized in most learning. Huge missed opportunity when both systems engage simultaneously. Memory improves dramatically. Two pathways to same information, verbal and visual. Two retrieval routes. Better retention, better recall, better understanding. This is dual coding power. Concrete nouns are easiest. To dual code, dog, tree, car. These have clear images, easy to visualize. Abstract concepts are harder. Justice, freedom, democracy. No obvious image, but still possible. Through metaphor, through symbol, through association, imagery improves. Memory performance, consistently. Across studies, across decades, learn word pairs with images, recall doubles, triples even, compared to words alone. This is not subtle, this is massive. Effect, method of Loci, uses dual coding, ancient technique. Memory palace, associate information with locations, visual spatial system, plus verbal content, powerful combination, memory champions. Use this routinely, reliably. Diagrams are dual coding, combine visual and verbal, labels on images, arrows showing, relationships, processes, hierarchies. This engages both systems, better understanding, better memory than text alone. Multimedia learning benefits from dual coding, narration plus, animation works better than either alone. Richard Mayer researched this extensively. Multimedia principles all based on dual coding, theory, but pictures must be relevant, not decorative, seductive details, harm learning, interesting but irrelevant images, distract, overload, impair learning. Use images that explain, that illustrate, that clarify. Not just decorate. Split attention is problem, text on screen, plus narration, reading same words, hearing same words. This is redundant. Waste its capacity. Better narration with relevant images or text with silent study. Not both simultaneously, same channel. Modality matters. Verbal can be, spoken or written. Visual can be. Pictures or spatial arrangement, mixed modalities for best effect. Spoken words with pictures. This uses different channels, reduces overload, enhances learning, creating your own. Images is most powerful, not just viewing, but generating. Mental imagery, drawing diagrams, sketching concepts. This forces deep processing, active engagement, better encoding, stronger memory. Visualization practice strengthens dual coding, close eyes. Picture concept as image, as scene, as diagram. This builds visual system, makes it more accessible, more automatic, more useful. For learning, metaphors are dual coding, abstract idea, represented as concrete image. Brain is computer, memory is library. Ideas is food, these create visual representation of abstract concept, aids understanding, aids memory. Color coding uses visual system, different colors for different categories, concepts, relationships. This adds visual dimension to verbal. Information aids organization, aids recall, Simple but effective. Mind maps combine both systems. Central concept, branches radiating, visual structure, verbal labels, spatial relationships, hierarchical organization. This is dual coding. Applied to note-taking, very effective. Comics and graphic novels are dual coding. Story told through images and words together, often dismissed as lesser, but cognitively very effective, engaging both systems simultaneously. This aids comprehension, retention. The theory explains why some learning works better than others. Lecture alone, verbal only. One system, limited retention. Lecture with relevant slides, images, diagrams, both systems. Better retention. Apply this to your learning. Whatever you're studying, add visual, dimension, draw it, diagram it, visualize it, create images, mental or actual. This doubles. Encoding, doubles pathways, doubles memory. Don't just read, textbook, visualize concepts, sketch diagrams, create mental images, make it visual, make it spatial. This transforms abstract words into concrete, understanding into memory. Teaching uses this naturally. Good teachers use diagrams, draw pictures, use gestures. You're creating visual representation of verbal content. This is why good teaching works, dual coding. In action, the theory is robust, replicated, established. Use it deliberately, systematically, every learning session. Add visual element, draw something, visualize something, picture something. This will transform retention, transform understanding, transform learning. Dual coding is not optional if you want. Maximum retention, maximum understanding. Use both systems. Always, this is how. Brain works best. Two systems. Better than one. Always. Proven repeatedly, definitively.